Hello, I'm Andy the Schnucks Cheese Guy. May is American Artisan Cheese Month, and I'm excited to share one of my favorite American cheeses and cheesemakers with you. This story truly epitomizes the American dream. Marieka Penterman immigrated to the United States in 2003 from her home in the Netherlands. She traveled to Thorpe, Wisconsin to join her husband Rolf, who had moved there a year earlier to start a dairy farm. Once in Thorpe, Marieka began to miss the cheeses from her home and decided to start her own business making cheese. She got her Wisconsin cheese-making license and created her first batch of Gouda in 2006. Just one short year later, she won gold at the U.S. Cheese Championships. Today, Marieka is the most decorated female cheesemaker in the United States with over 200 awards and counting. Golden Gouda is one of her many award-winning cheeses that we offer here at Schnucks. Marieka's Golden Gouda is a crowd pleaser. You just can't go wrong with it. It's creamy and sweet, has this touch of nuttiness, and pairs perfectly with a buttery Chardonnay and dried apricots, but it's really great just on its own. It is one of my favorite cheeses, and it's what I recommend to anyone who wants to try a specialty cheese and doesn't really know where to start. Stop by your local Schnucks today and let our team introduce you to Marieka's Golden Gouda or any of our amazing American artisan cheeses.